Making money online while you sleep, also known as passive income, is a great way to supplement your income or even achieve financial independence. There are a number of different ways to make passive income online, but some of the most popular methods include creating and selling digital products. This could include ebooks, online courses, software, or even music or art. Once you've created your product, you can sell it through your own website or through a third-party platform such as Udemy or Skillshare. To make this passive income stream work, you need to create high-quality digital products that people are willing to pay for. You should also promote your products on social media and other online platforms. Once you have a steady stream of sales, you can start to generate passive income even while you're sleeping. Investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out regular dividends to their shareholders. This means that you can earn money from your investment even if the stock price doesn't go up. To invest in dividend stocks, you'll need to open a brokerage account. Once you've opened an account, you can start researching dividend stocks and investing in the ones that you think are the best value. To make this passive income stream work, you need to invest in a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks. This will help to reduce your risk. You should also reinvest your dividends to buy more shares of dividend stocks and grow your income stream over time. Lending money through peer-to-peer lending platforms. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals and businesses for a return. When you lend money through a peer-to-peer lending platform, you'll be able to choose the loans that you want to invest in. You'll also be able to see the credit score and risk rating of each borrower. To make this passive income stream work, you need to choose a reputable peer-to-peer lending platform. You should also diversify your portfolio by lending to multiple borrowers. It's important to note that there is some risk involved in peer-to-peer lending, so it's important to do your research before investing. Investing in real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects without having to buy a property yourself. When you invest in a real estate crowdfunding project, you'll be pooling your money with other investors to buy a property. The property will then be rented out or sold, and the profits will be distributed to the investors. To make this passive income stream work, you need to choose a reputable real estate crowdfunding platform. You should also diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple projects. It's important to note that there is some risk involved in real estate crowdfunding, so it's important to do your research before investing. Starting a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a type of e-commerce business where you don't need to carry any inventory. When a customer places an order, you simply contact the supplier and they will ship the product directly to the customer. This is a great way to start an online business with very little upfront investment. To make this passive income stream work, you need to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. You also need to find a reputable supplier that offers dropshipping services. Once you have everything set up, you can start promoting your online store on social media and other online platforms, creating a YouTube channel and monetizing it. If you have any interests or hobbies that you think you could create videos about, then you could start a YouTube channel and monetize it. Once you have a monetized YouTube channel, you can earn money through advertising, channel memberships, and affiliate marketing. To make this passive income stream work, you need to create high-quality videos that are informative and engaging. You should also promote your YouTube channel on social media and other online platforms. Once you have a large enough audience, you can start to generate passive income even while you're sleeping, writing blog posts and monetizing them. If you have any knowledge or expertise that you can share with others, then you could start a blog and monetize it. There are a number of different ways to monetize a blog, such as through advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. To make this passive income stream work, you need to write high-quality blog posts that are informative and engaging. You should also promote your blog on social media and other online platforms. Once you have a large enough audience, you can start to generate passive income even while you're sleeping. Creating and selling stock photos and videos. If you have a good eye for photography or videography, then you could create and sell stock photos and videos. There are a number of different stock photo and video websites where you can sell your work. To make this passive income stream work, you need to take high-quality photos and videos. You should also submit your photos and videos to a variety of stock photo and video websites. Once your photos and videos are accepted, you'll start to earn a commission whenever someone purchases them. Renting out your spare bedroom. If you have a spare bedroom, you could rent it out through a platform such as Airton or VRBO. This is a great way to make extra money each month without having to do much work. To make this passive income stream work, you need to list your spare bedroom on a reputable platform such as Airbnb or VRBO. You should also set a competitive price for your rental property and take high-quality photos of your rental property. It's also important to write a detailed description of your rental property and to respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Gaming videos. If you enjoy playing video games, you could create videos of yourself playing them and sharing your experiences with your viewers. This type of video content is very popular, and it can be a great way to attract new viewers to your channel and make money through monetization features such as Super Chat and channel memberships. To make this passive income stream work, you need to choose a gaming niche that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. You should also create high-quality gaming videos that are informative and engaging. Once you have a large enough audience, you can start to generate passive income even while you're sleeping. To continue, here are some additional tips for making money online while you sleep. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. This will make it easier to create content that is informative and engaging, and to attract an audience that is interested in what you have to offer. Be patient and consistent. It takes time to build a successful online business and to generate passive income streams. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep creating great content and promoting your business, and you will eventually start to see success. Reinvest your earnings. Once you start to generate passive income, reinvest it back into your business to help it grow even faster. This can mean investing in new equipment, hiring new team members, or creating new products or services. Here are some additional examples of how you can make money online while you sleep. By following these tips and exploring the different ways to make money online while you sleep, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy the freedom of having a passive income stream.